Ladies and gentlemen, what we're looking here is expressions and equations, point of intersection, or what's called the break-even point. What we're going to be able to do with these is we're going to be able to look at a word problem. We're going to be able to make it equal. We're going to be able to build equations out of it. And then we're going to be able to find out where it's smartest to go to one store and when it's smartest to go to one store, or when it's smarter to go to a different store. And we'll be able to find all of that out. So by the end of this video, you should be able to find the point of intersection or that break-even point by using equations. Let's take a look at our word problem. Going to the grocery store, I can buy soda for about $4 per case. But if I go to Sam's Club, they have a membership fee of $40, and their soda is sold for $2 per case. Let's look at that important information. Soda is about $4 per case. But if I go to let's just look at that. The grocery store is $4 per case. So my total cost, C, is going to be $4 per case, per soda. All right, that's my first one, very simple one. But if I go to Sam's Club, they have a membership fee of $40. So my cost is going to be for sure $40. Plus it's going to be $2 per case, or $2 per soda case. So with these two equations, what I'm going to be able to do is I'm going to be able to find the break-even point. I'm going to be able to find when these two costs are going to be equal to each other. Now, here's the kind of cool thing. What you can do is a very simple way is you can just make these equal to each other by doing this. You can take $4 and $4 S, and you can make that equal to the 40 plus the 2S. Now, this is a two-step equation. What we can do, and I'll do this all in this kind of red. There we go. What we can do is we can take we can combine like terms. So we're going to subtract 2S from both sides, which cancels that out. Now we get 40 equals 2S. Last, what we can do is we can isolate this variable right here. And how we're going to do that is simply we are going to divide by 2. So I know S equals 20. When I buy 20 cases of soda, it doesn't matter whether I go to the grocery store or whether I go to Sam's Club. When I buy 20 cases, it's going to be the same. Now, here's what we can do. What we're going to do is we're going to write out those equations. So C equals 4S and C equals 40 plus 2S. That was for Sam's Club and then for the grocery store. And then we're going to plug in not 20, because I know 20, it doesn't matter where I go. But let's just try 10. So if I were buying 10 cases of soda, my cost would be $40. But from Sam's Club, if I were buying 10 cases, my cost would be 20, 2 times 10, plus 40, I would be paying $60. So, my answer would look like this. If I'm buying less than 20 cases of soda, I am going to go to the grocery store. But if I'm buying more than 20 cases of soda, I'm going to go to Sam's Club. The way that we were able to figure that out is we were able to just make 4S equal to 40 plus 2S. I was able to take those two equations and make them equal to each other. So if you're ever asked to figure out where is it better to go, or when are these going to be equal to each other, actually just simply make those equations equal to each other. That's all I have for you today. Please make sure to apply this to our lesson, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask.